What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. I'm going to run my 1998 Kirby Generation 5 upright vacuum.
I feel like you go theme song music.
Huh?
You know, Kirby music.
Oh, yeah. I don't own the music, guys. I don't care about that. I don't care about the music playing. But definitely make good theme song for it, though, since it's an older Kirby. Hey! Nobody ripped the tops off that. Someone's being honored, guys.
Comes with age.
Yeah, it comes honestly with age. Huh?
Otherwise we get old and retired.
Come on, we get old all the time and retire. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, you got my heart looking at
Oh, excuse me. Feel better? Huh? Huh? I did that on purpose. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind y'all that Jesus loves you and have a wonderful day. We was just having fun. I wasn't actually running speed over.